Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file exempt on a W-4 form. Filing exempt can help adjust your tax withholding if you qualify, but it's important to follow the steps carefully. First, enter your personal information in the designated section of the W-4. This includes your full name, address, social security number, and filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Make sure all details are accurate and legible. If you have multiple jobs, or if your spouse also works, refer to Section 2 to adjust your withholding. Follow the instructions to account for additional income sources so that your tax withholding is accurate and avoids underpayment or overpayment. In Section 3, claim any dependents you are eligible for and include the related tax credits if applicable. This helps reduce the amount of tax withheld from your paycheck. Section 4 allows you to make additional optional adjustments. Here, you can specify extra withholding amounts if you anticipate owing more taxes or if you prefer to withhold a higher amount as a precaution. This section also covers any unique tax situations you may have. Next, sign and date the form in the designated section. Your signature certifies that the information you provided is accurate and complete. Make sure to leave the For Employer Use Only section blank, as this is reserved for your employer's records. Once you have completed all applicable sections, submit the form to your employer for processing. If you intend to claim exempt status, ensure you meet the IRS criteria before making this declaration. Misrepresentation can lead to penalties or other legal consequences, so verify your eligibility carefully. By following these steps, you can complete your W-4 accurately and ensure your withholding aligns with your tax liability. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical tax and finance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.